same problem that we have discussed last time also. So steel rod of suppose 30 watt per meter degree Celsius thermal conductivity. It is diameter is 1 centimeter and 5 centimeter long. It is protrude from a wall. Protrude म्हणजे extended बाहेर येणं. Okay. At a wall which is maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. So the wall is at 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the portion of the rod which is in contact with the wall base, it is also at 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, T0 at where x is equal to 0, we have taken 100 degree Celsius. Okay. The wall exposed to the environment means T infinity is 30 degrees Celsius with thermal conductivity is 50 watt per meter square Kelvin. Okay. Calculate fin efficiency, fin effectiveness, temperature at the tip of fin, and the rate of the heat dissipation from the base of the fin. Okay. Again, here we have to consider that the tip is insulated. Okay. So diameter is now 1 centimeter means 0.01 meter. Length is 5 centimeter. Okay, means 0.05 meter. What is excess temperature? T naught minus T infinity. है ना? Understood. So it is 100 minus 30, it is 285. Okay. And perimeter and area you need to calculate, and then you need to calculate M. And from this, first now we will go reverse. First, you will calculate total heat dissipated by the rod. Now, total heat dissipated by the rod can be equal to the total heat present at the x is equal to 0. Okay, and therefore we will use same formula. Q is equal to under root HPK theta 0 tan HML. Okay, now you tell me the value. I have told you everything now. What is the value of Q? Here the case is same, tip with insulation. Okay.
Sir, is it 109.95? Excuse me, sir. Sir, is it 109.95?
What is the value of Q?
Sir, 110 approx.
What hertz?
110, is it?
No. You are making mistake.
Okay, sir.
Please check the answer.
Yes.
Sir, 3.36.
Very good, Mir. It is 3.36 watt. Siddhi, are you there, Siddhi?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
3.36.
Okay. What is T naught? Arun Kondre, are you there? Then Kalyani Kasar,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer, beta? Efficiency?
Sir, I was absent for past 3-4 days, so I'm unable to understand.
Past 3-4 days or 3-4 lecture, beta?
Sir, 3-4 lectures.
Okay. Shreyas,
Yes, sir.
not Shreyas Dambude, Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of efficiency?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
nahi.
करतोय
What is the
solve.
answer of efficiency? Huh?
Solve करतोय sir.
लवकर. तेजस गाडगे. तेजस गोंडके. विशाल तांबडे. Yash, are you there? Yash. What is the answer? Efficiency.
Yes, sir.
Yash, which case we are considering here? Elton, are you there? Elton, you have missed lots of classes. What is the answer?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Ah,
of efficiency. Sir, 0.27.
efficiency 0.27. Are you sure?
No, sir.
And which case we are considering, Elton? Which case?
So I for insulated end.
Long and insulated. Insulate tip. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chetan, are you there? Chetan Tote. Why you remain so inactive, Chetan? Chetan Tote.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Why you are so inactive? Avanti, what is the answer? Akshata?
Yes, sir.
Efficiency answer I want.
So calculating.
Last time also you have given same answer, Akshada. Okay, thank you for giving good response to this lecture. 43 students are present. So I think
Sir, is it
Chetan,
2.69?
efficiency, how it will be 2.6? Efficiency. I am not talking about effectiveness. I am talking about efficiency, Chetan. Chinmay Bhuti, are you there?
Sir, yes, sir. I did a mistake. Sorry.
Effectiveness, you may be correct. Chinmay, what is the answer? Type it. Efficiency. So this is the first answer. Q is equal to under root HPK theta 0 tan HML. Q is 3.36. Then efficiency, suppose it is generally for insulate tip directly tan HML divided by ML. So it is 66.6%. Please check whether you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
or not.
Yes, sir.
Now you will say yes,
66%.
sir.
No, sir. Sir,
Okay.
actually did not consider
Okay.
damage.
Chetan, I understood. Okay, thank you. Very good. Now effectiveness. Tell me effectiveness. Nikhil Ahire, are you there? I want answer. Effectiveness. Nikhil Ahire, have you left meeting? Mihir Kulkarni, what is the answer of effectiveness? Ashutosh, are you there? आशुतोष राजपूत
सर
absent.
7.53 येत आहे का
काय इफेक्टिव्हनेस
हा
रिचेक इट. अथर्व देशमुख, गौरव गायकवाड, वेर आर यू? गौरव गायकवाड, आर यू देयर? गुरु प्रसाद, you are calculating or what are you doing? Harsh Gaikwad,
Sir, my answer is coming like 0 point something.
Shreyas, what
Sir, 0.45.
effectiveness?
Yes.
Effectiveness.
Yes, sir.
Sir, even mine is coming like point something.
Okay, means it is not effective. It should be more than it should be more than 1. Means this is not effective. It should be more than 1. But are you getting the answer? Same answer for efficiency 66.6.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, in effectiveness का formula, sir, what is the value of K?
Conductivity
Oh, okay, sir.
30.
सर इफेक्टिवनेस 0.708 येतो आहे.
Point. Yes, means it is not effective. Are you getting?
Yes sir.
It is not effective. It should not less than 1. But if it is coming less than 1, then it is not effective.
Sir, माझं तर 0.03 येतं.
कसं रे बाळा? थीटा 0 किती आलं तुमचं? हे बघा.
Sir, 70 आहे ना
theta
theta 0.
zero.
100 minus
Theta
30.
0
70.
is 70. Okay. What is the perimeter? सांगा किती आहे?
5D.
H50 आहे.
अच्छा नाही.
H50 आहे. K 30 आहे. पेरिमीटर सांगा किती? पेरिमीटर पाय इंटू डी सांगा लवकर.
0.0314.
0.0314.
M आहे 25.82 आलं का?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
M आहे 26 आहे. अजून काय राहिलं? लेंथ आहे
0.05.
0.05. काय राहिलं अजून? पेरिमीटर आणि एरिया याच्यामध्ये त्याचा डिफरन्स होऊ शकतो काही. पेरिमीटर किती आहे बाळांनो सांगा बरं?
0.0314.
0.0314 आणि एरिया?
सर एरिया आहे
π/40 स्क्वेअर.
सर 7.85 into 10⁻⁵ म्हणजे 0. असं काहीतरी एकदम 7.85 into 10⁻⁵.
-5.
Yes sir.
बघा हे आन्सर येते का सगळ्यांचं?
Yes sir.
मग सगळ्यांचे सेम आले पाहिजे ना. किती आहे एफिशियन्सी आता? This H here H is not a thermal 30. No, this is not a heat transfer coefficient. This is a what? Tan H. You have to calculate tan H of ml. Are you getting? By using calculator, you have to calculate tan H of ml. Here you have to calculate tan H of ml. Understood? So this tan H is a function, not tan is a function. Tan H is a function. Here also you have to calculate tan H ml. So how much efficiency you are getting? You are getting same or not? 66%.
Yes, sir.
Same efficiency.
Yes, sir.
Tan H is a
66.6.
function.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, tan and again repeating,
Same
tan H is a function. It is not tan H. H is not heat transfer coefficient. Okay. Here under root PHKA. This is the heat transfer coefficient. This is the heat transfer coefficient. Okay. Last time we have seen how to calculate tan H by using calculator. I think who has explained it? Mihir, can you repeat it? How to find out tan H? I don't have a calculator now.
Yes, sir.
Calculator.
Sir, there is an option in our calculator saying HYP, hyperbolic. So when we press it, it gives all the hyperbolic
Hyperbolic.
functions: sin,
So
sin
first
H,
you have
cos
to
H,
shift
and tan H will
hyperbolic.
give.
Okay. So first you have to shift hyperbolic.
And then by pressing 1, 2, or 3, we can select sin H, cos H, or tan H.
Okay.
सर इफेक्टिवनेस 13.34 येतो है
13.34.
34.
Now it is less, more than 1. I have not calculated effectiveness here. Okay. That is not asked in problem. I have purposefully put it. What is effectiveness? So many of you, what have done? They have calculated tan of HML. Therefore, they have got different answers. It is not tan of HML. It is the tan H of ML. Okay. Tan H is a function. Hyperbolic function. So I request you to proceed for your favorite activity and then you can leave. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. If anyone have any doubt, problem, you stay in the meeting, we will discuss. Parth, now you have joining at the end for attendance. Varali, Suyash, leave. You may leave. I am going to close the meeting. Please put your attendance. Rishikesh, Rohit, Chaitanya. Chaitanya, Rohit, Rishikesh, are you there? Suyash, have you put your attendance? You may leave.
Yes, sir.
Suyash, Suyash,